All right, so today is Monday, March 11th. And you can see here in Michigan, well, our front yard is like a lake. We got rain yesterday, and it's melted a lot of the snow, but now the front yard is just a lake, frozen lake now. And so anyways, we are going to do a cold start on 3 pieces of our stick equipment. And actually, it's only 3 we have, right, Scout? Anyways, so what we're going to do is we're going to start with the Stihl FS94R. We'll start that, do a cold start on that. And then we'll probably do the edger. This is an Echo. It is the PE230 curve shaft edger, and it's got a golden edge edger blade on it currently. Anyways, so we'll start this one up here in a second. We'll set it out there in the driveway, let it run for a while, then so it's out so we can hear this one start up. We'll start this one up, and then the last we're going to start up our combi power head. We didn't bring all the attachments up. It's the Stihl KM110R. That's what we'll start up third. None of these have been started since December. They have been down in our basement, so they've never gotten colder than 70 degrees basically all winter, and we usually have pretty good luck doing that. We usually start them up maybe once in February, but we never got around to it. So, all right, Scout, go ahead and start with that one first. Set the choke, make sure you give it about 10 good pumps probably. They all got last year's fuel in it. I probably should have drained them out, but we never really do, since we always try to start them like every other month. That take 3 pulls. Let the choke run. Don't give any gas yet. Let the choke run. 3 pulls. All right, give her a little gas. Try it. Take it out there and set it down, please. Try the edger. I didn't check the gas in that one. Make sure, does it have gas in it? Can you see it in the gas tank? Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There. There we go. 9 pulls. Not bad for something that hasn't been started in since December. 3.5 months. We got this one used off of Scout's Uncle Bo. He bought it and only used it a few times, and we've had it probably a couple years now. Alright, go ahead and take that one out there. It's always kind of cold-blooded when you first hit the when you first start it, and you kind of go to use it. It takes for a minute. It seems like all Echoes operate that way. Check the gas first too, or can you see if it has fuel in the tank? Huh?
Definitely it does because it's still there.
Oh, okay. Does it have a crack in it? You got the trigger set, the thing? Not having the 5. Hold on. Okay. Here, I'll hold it. Sometimes not having the attachment in there sometimes makes it difficult to. You got the choke set?
Yeah.
Hit that primer again. too. Pulls, 20 pulls. Sun's still on. Take it up there. Let it run. You set it down and let it run. Pick up the weed whacker and give it a gas. That's good to see everything fires up. Alright guys, that's all we want to do is just do like a little pre-spring cold start pulling things up out of the basement. We didn't do a very good job cleaning the stick equipment before we put it away last winter. Kind of got caught late in the season and stuff. It's never a good sign. Hope everybody's okay. Anyways, all right. See you soon.